What if creating a video was as simple as sharing a link? With HeyGen, it is. Welcome back to the Level Up series. This week, we show you how to take a link and turn it into a fully edited video with HeyGen. Drop any URL, our video agent does the rest. So you've got a website, a blog post, a landing page, full of great content. But turning that into a polished video, that used to mean hours of scripting, editing, and production. Not anymore. Here's how it works. I'm going to take this website URL, copy the link, and drop it directly into HeyGen's Video Agent. That's it. No prompts, no briefs, just the link. I click generate and the video agent gets to work. It reads the page, extracts the key information, and structures it into a video narrative. It'll select an avatar that matches the tone of the content, write the script, and assemble the scenes, all automatically. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully produced video ready to publish. Look at that. The messaging is on point, the structure makes sense, the visuals are great, and the motion graphics are perfect. All of this from a single link. And this works for any link on the web. Product launch page, a blog article, an event page, or just your company's website. Drop the homepage link and the agent pulls everything it needs to tell your story. If it lives on the web, Video Agent can turn it into a video. What are you waiting for? Go drop your first link. See what Video Agent can make today.